AZ Solutions brings you working with duplicates. If I hold down the Control, the Shift key, and press the arrow down, what I'm going to do is copy this information over to the side here, Control V to paste. What I want to do is be left looking at only one occurrence of the list that I have here. This is a new feature of the 2007 and the 2010. It's called Remove Duplicates, and it's found under the Data tab. Column I, hit OK, and now you're left with only one occurrence of the values that you have here. In the past, you had to do that using the advanced filter and use unique records only. It's much more efficient now with the Remove Duplicates feature. With the Remove Duplicates feature, if you had more columns selected, you're able to choose which columns would make up a unique record. So for example, you might say that you might have multiple people with the same last name. You could choose last name, and the order date would make that record unique. So you may need more than one field in order to make the record unique. With the Remove Duplicates, you can now perform that. Hope this was helpful. If you need further assistance, feel free to visit our website www.azsolutions.com.au or drop us a line at info@azsolutions.com.au. Hope it was helpful. Thank you for listening.